So years ago, y'all, I bought this potato planter. We'll say about 3 or 4 years ago. I actually got two of them and I never really opened them. But since it's time to plant our potato that we started from seeds, we are going to use it today. So let's go ahead and let's get started. So I thought this would be the perfect time to go ahead and try these potato planters out. And what prompted me to buy these, y'all, is because it's like no digging required. You got a Velcro flap and you can just harvest the potatoes by pulling up the flap. Yeah, stuff like that gets you. Then it's like easy to move with the handles on side. Perfect for patios, balconies, and small gardens. So I thought that was cool. We're going to go ahead and plant up our potato plants in here. Now, just like with if you're planting it in the ground, so we're going to roll the bag all the way down, plant our potato plants, and fill it with soil. But as the potato plants continue to grow, we're going to continue to fill it up with soil, because as the potatoes grow, you don't want them to see the light. A lot of people call it healing it up. So as they continue to grow, you continue to add more soil. And so that's the same with the bag. Now, this is what I want to see because I'm unsure of how this is going to work. The material is kind of like a tarp material. So I definitely need to be careful with my watering. We'll open it together and see if there's like holes or something for it to drain out. But anytime you have a container, you do want drainage in it. And if it's not in here, then I definitely need to pay attention to the watering, because I don't want it to like stand and the roots start to rot. So let me go ahead and get this open, and comment below if you guys have ever like started potatoes like in a bag or like a container. Let me know the results of this, because like I say, this is my first time trying this. I just thought it was cool that you could lift this flap up. So y'all, I am under the garage right now because it just finished raining, and I still need to get a lot of stuff done. I was thinking about, just totally off subject, but I'm about to get back on so I can show you the bag. I was wanting my husband to build another raised bed, actually three, but I just told him one. And then if I like that one, I was just gonna go ahead and let him do two more while he had his tools out. But after pricing the materials, it's just a little bit more to just order one online and just like snap together. So I think I'm going to do that, because I told y'all I have been seed starting like crazy, and I'm now starting to run out of space in the garden. That's one reason why I'm going to put these potatoes in the bag. They're still going to go in the garden, but I'm going to grow them in the bag just to kind of save space, because I still have cucumbers and okra. I got a lot of stuff I want to start still. But let me show you the bag, because yes, they do have holes in there, which is good. So this is the top of the bag. It is a 14 by 20. And then you got your Velcro pouch or Velcro right here where you can like open it up. And then they do have the drainage. They have them like all on the bottom, which is good. And then they also have them on the side. So basically the instructions state that you roll it all the way down to about 12 inches. You plant your potatoes. Now we don't have seed, so I'm just going to plant the plants. And I think it said 3 to 4 potatoes. Yeah, 3 to 4 potatoes in each bag. So we had pretty good germination with these Clancy potatoes from Park Seed. I want to say we at least got about 10 or 11 that germinated. So we're just gonna fit them all in there, and we're just gonna see what happens. You know, that's what gardening is all about. Gardening is all about experimenting, and they're still small. So I'm just gonna roll everything down. I'm gonna put a little potting mix, a little bit of compost in here, and a little bit of my biotone. And we are going to go ahead and get these planted and get them placed in the garden. And hopefully, like the package said, if you want to boil them, I think it's 90 days. If you want to use the potatoes for boiling, it's like 90 days. And I think for like roasting and other stuff, it's like 120 days. So May, June, July. So around August, they should be ready. So let me stop talking, prep everything, and I'll come back and I'll show you the final results that we're going to put in the garden. Okay, so we got our potatoes rolled down, and so we're ready to roll and go ahead and start planting these up. Now I'm going to stop the video and I'll come back when I'm done because I got to drag the potting mix and the compost around to the front because it's still wet. So I'll come back and I'll show you everything once it is done. So the sun has came back out, so we're gonna walk over here. I went ahead and brought everything to the back. So let's go over here. Now, I don't know if I'm gonna let these potato bags stay here because y'all know when it gets hot here, it's like an invitation for the snakes, and I don't know. I'm just gonna let them stay here for now, but I just don't want nothing crawling out of those bricks right there, scaring me half to death. That's not good. Okay, so I put 4 in one and 3 in the other. These are the potato seeds. They're the Clancy potato seeds, and I watered them real good. I had some good rain water. Y'all know that's the best. That's if you want stuff to start growing, get you some good rain water. And I really would like a rain barrel, but I'll just use my method that I'm using now. So let me get a little bit closer. So we just planted them up to the top. This one has the 3, that one has the 4. Watered them in real good. As they start growing, we're basically just going to take this, unroll it, and then add some more soil. Just keep adding soil as they grow up. And I really want to use these as like roasting potatoes, so I'll probably let them stay in for the 120 days. But you can, as you roll them up, go ahead and unflap that Velcro pocket down there and supposedly harvest. But I'll make sure that I keep you all posted on the progress of these because I've never grown potatoes from seed, like from one tiny seed. So as always, thank you all so much for watching this video, and I hope you share this video with your family and your friends. And if you're not a subscriber, we will absolutely love to have you as one. So make sure you tap the bell so that you can receive notification each and every time we upload a new video. Again, thank you all so much for watching, and until the next video, bye bye.